Imagine earning money from home using just your computer. That's the power of AI tools. Today, we'll explore 5 free AI tools that anyone can use to make money, no experience required. Our first tool is Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform. It allows you to create beautiful visuals easily. Many businesses need graphics for social media. You can design for them and charge a fee. Canva has templates, making it super user-friendly. Next up is chatgpt. This AI language model can write content quickly. You can use it to create blogs, email campaigns, or social media posts. Businesses often seek writers. With chatgpt, you can provide writing services without prior experience. The third tool is InVideo. This video creation platform makes editing simple. You can create engaging videos for YouTube or social media. People love video content, and businesses need it. Offer video creation services using InVideo and earn money by delivering high-quality videos. Our fourth tool is Voice.ai. Voice.ai converts text to voice using AI. Create voiceovers for videos, podcasts, or advertisements. It's perfect for those wanting to enter audio content creation. Offer your voiceover services online and watch your income grow. Last but not least, we have Google Ads. With some learning, you can help businesses manage their online ads. Use free resources available from Google to get started. Guiding others in advertising can be a profitable venture. Let's summarize. Today, we explored 5 free AI tools to earn money from home. Canva for graphics, ChatGPT for writing, InVideo for videos, voice, AI for voiceovers, and Google Ads for advertising services. These tools are accessible to everyone, regardless of experience. Now, don't just watch, take action. Sign up for these tools today. Start exploring and offering services. Your journey to making money from home begins now.